Welcome to InflectraCON 2023. My name is Mike Lyles, and I am so honored to be a speaker this year. My talk is called the Personal Growth Workshop, where you're going to learn powerful tools and tips which you can use immediately to set realistic, amazing, and life-changing goals, both professionally and personally. You know, we've all set goals throughout life and dreamed about where we want to be when we grow up. But few of us are strong when it comes to proactively and intentionally setting ourselves up for success. This is the Leadership and Personal Growth Workshop that you've been needing for a long time. And I'm so excited to share with you the many ways that you can chart your course and reach your full potential. I look forward to seeing you at InflectraCON on April 19th through the 21st. See you there.